Good morning, everybody. We are back with more ice fishing today. I'm gonna drive over to Kettle Cove on Sebago Lake and fish there for a few hours until it gets dark, and we'll see what happens. I'm just bringing the solo stove out. We'll have a fire out there. It's just gonna be me. We'll see if a friend shows up. Who knows what'll happen. Hopefully we get some flags and hopefully we bring some fish up. Then we can do more gayutaku and cook something up to eat. Here we are. I'm surprised no one else is out here on a Saturday. Guess we'll just go out there in the middle. It's so gorgeous. I just drilled this hole. There's like 11 inches of ice. So we're totally good. I wonder how far out there's thick ice, because right on the other side of that island right there it goes out into Big Sebago. This is where I kept my boat all summer, in Kettle Cove at one of these docks over here, and then I just go right out into the big lake. Trap number 1. These guys have literally been alive since my very first ice fishing video. I don't know how I don't use that many minnows when I go, but I've been able to literally just have the same bait this entire time. Alright, bring us some good luck, please. Trap number 1. There we go. First flag going down. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna try and set the solo stove up right here so I can drag the sled around with just the traps and stuff. I already kind of pre-built the kindling. I have to put these blocks of wood down or else it'll melt into the ice, and by the time it cools down it's just stuck right in there. There, I'll start that in a few minutes because it's not really cold yet. I got lots of layers on and I want to set the rest of the traps first. Alright, I just set the last trap, the furthest out. Haven't had any flags yet, so we will see what happens. We just got a flag right here as I'm walking back. There's nothing on there though. Damn. Take the bait. Nope. We'll drop it back down. Was not expecting that. Maybe get another one. Try to get this fire going. Oh. So sunny out. It is so sunny out right now. I think even if I got a flag, I wouldn't even be able to see it. Can't even see the camera right now. I should have brought some sunglasses out. I have the fire going. Just wanted to get that started so it could burn some good coals throughout the day. Wow, I can't believe how nice it is. It's like really warm out. Hey everybody, so we did not have any luck ice fishing today. We didn't catch anything. We got one flag. No fish though, but that's okay because we have an exciting package to open. The absolute legend, Zach Fowler, sent me a package. He's actually what made me interested in gayutaku prints. He does a lot of those in his videos, and they all come out so dope. So we're gonna cut this thing open and see what's inside. I'm super excited for this. So hype, so hype, so hype. All right, let's see. I'll let you see it first before I look. I can't see anything. Oh, this is dope. We got a little signed card here. Looks like a little Bible. Oh, this is dope. One of his slingshots. That's sick. That's dope. Oh, what's this? Ooh, looks like some of their little rubber jigs that they made. That's sweet. I'll have to try those. Looks like they'd be good for like crappie and stuff. Dope, dope. Some stickers, some dope stickers. Those are sweet. Oh yes, dude, I was so hoping for this stuff. The Wadobo seasoning. I literally was like, almost ordered this a couple of times to try with some Catch and Cooks, but that is so tight. Dude, next Catch and Cook, we're gonna go crazy with the adobo, dude. This is, ooh, this looks like some fish fry. Sweet. That's dope. More Catch and Cooks with that. Dude, that is so awesome. Dude, that is so sweet. I'm so excited for the seasoning, bruh. And to try these little jigs. Oh, that's so hype. Thank you so much, Zachary Fowler. That is so dope. I'll put a link to the website you can buy his stuff from. But yeah, he has like so much stuff on his website, it's insane. Might have to put some more orders in soon. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Hopefully we'll catch some fish next time. And we can do a little Catch and Cook with the dope Fowler's Makery and Mischief seasoning and Catch and Cook fry that we just got. Love you all. Have a great day. See ya. Oh, so close. Yes. Yes. Finally. Yes. I guess I should have watched these videos first.